Let's start the story, The Smart Monkey. One day, Farida, Anju and Sanvi decided to go to the market.
Let's go to the market.
They saw a shop. They purchased some packets of chips from there.
Oh, see that shop. Give you some chips.
Then they saw another shop and bought some bottles of juice.
Oh, see that shop. Please give me some cold drinks.
Now, after some time, they felt tired and hungry. They sat under a tree. Hey. इधर
Oh, I am feeling very tired. I am feeling very hungry. Sit there.
Two monkeys were also there. They had bananas. They peeled the bananas and ate it. Farida and Anju did not notice them. They ate the chips and threw the wrappers on the ground. They drank the juice and threw down the bottles. But the monkeys were smarter. They searched a dustbin to throw the banana peel. They saw a dustbin and threw the banana peel into it.
Oh,
Farida and Anju saw them and felt ashamed.
oh, those monkeys. Monkeys are thrown garbage into the dustbin. I am
Throwing?
through the ground. Be shamed on us. Pick them.
They picked up the packets, wrappers and bottles and threw them into the dustbin.
We should throw the garbage into the dustbin.